Fuller, Megan Koster, Carly Von Krosig, Jacob Bridges, Callum Motley, Josie Smith, Brianna Larson, Carly Von Krosig, Natalie DeWright, Jacob Bridges, Callie Miller, Jacob Chapman, Cameron Evans, Karen Russell. Please make your way to the holding area for lightweight class 3.
Bring on a good head front view right to him. They're going. Move your pigs. Smack her one. Get her moving. Get her moving. Jesus, Hunter.
Jeremy was picked last night. We got third. Austin won the champion.
Take her to him. Move your pig. Don't short turn her.